Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2008 Forest River Sunseeker 2860 LTD Class A gas motorhome. This coach has a little bit over 11,000 miles, brand new tires, brand new awning. I did check this coach for water damage, a visual inspection, and I did notice just a little bit of D-lam on the side here. If I didn't tell you about it, you probably wouldn't even notice it, but it's very slight. And on the other side here, I can't even get in the video, that's how minor it is, but it's just something that I do notice. I like to think I'm pretty particular, but as I said, if I didn't point it out to you, you wouldn't even notice it. It did leak up in the front here, and she had a dealership actually fixed the leak, so it does not leak. It did not cause major damage or anything like that. It was just cosmetic damage that you really can't see. All the decals are in great condition. There is one decal that's cracked a little bit, and that's this gray one. It's got a little crackle effect. All the other decals are excellent. As I said, all the tires all around are brand new. And the awning. I do believe that's about a 22-foot awning, one of the largest you can get. I also noticed a little bit of D-lam down here, the little waves. This is cosmetic. This is part of the skirt. Has nothing to do with the main sidewall, but cosmetic. It's really a non-issue, but I do like to point out anything that I notice. Huge storage with pass-through. I'm assuming this might go with it. I'm not sure. I'm assuming it is, if you want it. Nice big rear window. Slide out awning package. Little scratch here. A lot of the stuff you can do a touch-up marker and touch this up. A little touch-up paint, touch that up. But overall, as far as running condition, definitely everything's pretty much checked off on this coach. 30 amp service. Lots of storage. Six-gallon gas electric water heater. Guardian 5500 watt gas generator. This coach is equipped with running boards. I believe that was an option on the Sunseeker line. Power windows, power locks. I do have the engine running, and looks like it has a little bit, 11,050 miles. This is the second owner. The current owner has owned it for about 5 years, and the only reason why she's selling it is she just bought another camper. It's a little dirty on the inside. She really didn't get a chance to detail it or anything, so a lot of times I like it like this where they didn't detail it. Brake control box, in case you want to tow a trailer. All the fabrics are in pretty much great condition. 6.8 liter Ford Triton V10 E450 chassis. Show you the inside. Guardian generator has a little bit over 260 hours on it. We've got the generator running right now. Monitor system tells you where you are on your tanks and your LP. Gas, battery is good. Freshwater empty, black or sewer tank empty, gray or sink and shower water empty. Or I'm sorry, and then there's your galley. Ducted AC all throughout the coach. I did take my hand and rub the sidewalls, check for any warping, any issues on the inside as far as wallpaper peeling, anything like that. I didn't find any issues. I did notice that the board underneath this, from when it leaked, it discolored the wood. It's just cosmetic and you're never ever going to see it, but it's underneath here. Nice TV. That was definitely an option in Sunseeker line. Boot dinette, all the fabrics are in great condition, excellent condition, breaks down into a bed. Jackknife sofa, basically a futon, the back and bottom lay down. You do have the night shades all throughout the coach. Lots of cabinets. Nice microwave. Always check to make sure the digital readout comes on. Sometimes they'll blow a fuse and you won't notice it. 3-burner cooktop. Nice oven. Six cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. Nice and cold. All you have to do is just kick it on. You're ready to go. Nice pull-out pantry. point out here, I do check for water damage around the slide outs, and I'll take my hand and check for any warps or any wallpaper peeling or anything like that. I did not find it on the inside of the coach. And I do also check for dark discoloration around the slide outs. They'll normally turn purple or blue, which is normally a sign of water damage. Didn't find anything like that. Raised porcelain foot flush toilet. I did check for water damage, any soft spots around the toilet, didn't find any issues. I did notice 2 light bulbs were burnt out. The owner didn't have a chance to really vacuum. I'm actually tracking leaves and stuff in here, but overall on the inside it's 1 through 10, 10 being the best as far as condition. It's a 9. It could use a good thorough cleaning, but as I said, the owner really, she just doesn't have a chance to really give it a lot of attention. So there is storage underneath this bed, and as I said, I did check around the slide outs for any water damage on the inside. Did not find any issues. Lots of cabinets. TV, that definitely was an option. Also, one little tip, I check on all motorhomes. If I have a cabinet in the corner, I'll open it up and check the corners for any wallpaper peeling or anything that looks like it's out of the normal. Pocket door here and a pocket door here. If you'd like to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. I can answer the basic questions. And if you like this video, you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.